Alright, we on Sunrise Boulevard and Sunrise Mall and Birdcage Circle. Or CTR. I don't know what it is. Polara and iNS buttons.
Wait to cross Birdcage Center Drive. Birdcage Center Drive. What sign is on the cross? Birdcage Center Drive.
Birdcage Center Drive. That's what it's called.
Wait, Birdcage Center Drive. What sign is on the cross? Birdcage Center Drive. Wait. Cross Birdcage Center Drive at Sunrise.
This one's kind of hidden behind the pole.
Wait. Cross Sunrise at Birdcage Center Drive. Sunrise. What sign is on the cross? Sunrise.
Another iNS button.
Wait to cross Sunrise at Birdcage Center Drive. Wait to cross Birdcage Center Drive at Sunrise. Birdcage Center Drive. What sign is on the cross? Birdcage Center Drive.
Birdcage Center Drive. These are new iNS buttons.
Wait, Birdcage Center Drive. What sign is on the cross? Birdcage Center Drive. Wait.
Well, that's it. There's our intersection. I'm gonna find a different intersection out. See ya.